Sakida, the head girl of Queen's College, and I'm thrilled to welcome you all to the latest edition of Queen's News Bulletin, a reflection of the vibrant school community which we provide. At Queen's College, education goes beyond textbooks. We believe in the power of holistic development, where students excel in academics, sports, culture, innovation, and leadership. Through this bulletin, we provide you with the latest achievements, events, and milestones, ensuring that the parents stay updated about their child's journey. This bulletin is a testament to the passion, dedication, and hard work that our school defines. So without further ado, let's delve into the news.
We feel proud to congratulate our stellar QCN Nupul Lakhotia, the city topper in the CBSE AISSCE 2024 12th exam with an impressive 98.2%. QCN shine bright in the testament to academic excellence. We feel proud to announce the exceptional achievements and distinctions in diverse subjects of our class 12 students.
Coming to class 10th results, our young scholars have made us proud with their stellar performance, achieving a 100% pass rate and a school average of 85.2%. The school topper secured an impressive 97.6%, while the second position was held by 4 students, each securing 97.4%, thus establishing a benchmark in academic excellence.
We proudly celebrate the remarkable success of our students in IIT JEE, NEET, CA, CLAT and other competitive exams. Their outstanding achievement reflects their dedication and spirit of excellence at our institution.
Dedication and the spirit of excellence are celebrated at Queen's College through the brilliance of our outstanding Olympiad winners, who have conquered diverse subjects with the guidance of their expert educators. They have showcased unparalleled talent and determination.
Our NCC cadets participated and set their mark in an invigorating NCC camp organized by MP Girls Battalion Indore. The camp provided a transformative platform for our students, challenging them with rigorous physical training and drills, where students excelled, earning accolades in various competitions.
The All India West Bengal and Sikkim NCC trekking camp took place in Namchi, Sikkim. Cadets including Yanika Barua and Dhurva Kavishwar from our school participated in various trekking and team building activities, fostering discipline, leadership and team spirit.
We are thrilled to announce that our talented QCNs have been selected to represent Madhya Pradesh in the 17 Sub-Junior National Rollball Championship.
Queen's College proudly clinched the championship trophy in the Inter-School Aquatic Championship held on August 31st, 2024, showcasing a commanding lead over 24 various schools participating from Indore.
Our energetic skaters Hora Hotelwala and Tanya Rathore secured first and third positions respectively at Sahodaya Inter-School Roller Skating Competition.
QCNs emerged as a formidable force, winning several accolades in sports, such as State Aquatic Championship, Badminton Tournament, Rollball League, Karate and Skating Championship. We congratulate them for their achievement.
Showcased exceptional talent at the 19th Udbhav Utsav International Dance and Music Festival in Gwalior. The dancing divas achieved remarkable success by securing second position in classical group dance category, while Sneha Mishra won third position in solo classical dance competition. Our students also delivered a captivating performance in group folk dance and semi-classical solo category by clearing the first round. Let us have a conversation with them. Congratulations to all of you for remarkable success and outstanding performances. Can you share some of the insights on your strategies and preparations that led to your success?
Certainly. Our success resulted from a combination of dedication, teamwork and effective planning. We focused on several key strategies, which included structured rehearsals, which refined our choreography and synchronization. Practicing on a mirror-reflected stage improved our visualization and observation skills and also enabled us to adjust and improve our movement.
We feel proud to inform that our talented QCS received an honorable mention at the esteemed AFS National Inter-School Sinfonietta competition, demonstrating remarkable musicianship, unwavering dedication, and refined artistry, bolstered by distinguished faculty support.
QCNs achieved remarkable success at the Sayodhya Samagan folk dance competition, competing against 22 schools. The group showcased the traditional Ahir dance, earning the Best Performance Award for their vibrant presentation, intricate choreography, and authentic costume.
Adding another feather to the cap, our melodious choir has secured the first position in the inter-school group folk song competition. Their stunning harmonies and heartfelt performance truly captivated the judges and audience alike.
Students displayed their impressive musical abilities at the IMA 3rd Women Leadership Conclave, leaving a lasting impression on the audience.
The Malwa Rose Society's 37th annual Rose Show saw students of our school shine in bouquet making. Top winners included Mitisha Chaudhary, Naisha Solanki, showcasing impressive creativity and skills.
Our school triumphs in art competition held at Indore Zoo during Wildlife Week, where students showcased their creativity, winning top accolades in drawing, painting, and clay modeling competition.
Neha Mishra, a talented student at Queen's College, has been selected to perform at the 51st Khajuraho Dance Festival and has received a prestigious scholarship from the Ministry of Culture. As the only scholar from Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, she exemplifies dedication to her passion for Odissi classical dance. Taran Kakani brought laurels to the school by winning prestigious second position at state level in Vidyarthi Vidya Manthan exam organized by Vigyan Bharati in collaboration with NCERT and Vigyan Prasad.
We are thrilled to announce the victory with 10 gold medals, 21 silver medals, and overall championship in the Brain of Brain Wonder Kid National Level Inter-School Online Competition. This program helped the students to develop skills like creativity, concentration, and memory.
Students demonstrated exceptional reasoning and computational skills in Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge and annual mathematics competition organized by CBSE. It aims to encourage mathematical proficiency and problem-solving skills among the school students.
Our students bagged second position at the Inter-School Commerce Fest 2024. The categories include Adventure, Corporate Symposium, and Bizwiz.
Our little angel Kashika Singh of class 6 bagged the Best Costume Award in Inter-School Declamation cum Character Enactment Competition.
Our digital artists Kashvi Jain, Taram Kakani, Bhakti Wadhwani, and Trisha Maheshwari have set a benchmark in digital creativity and emerged as true champions, clinching a coveted Best Performance Award in the Inter-School e-brochure competition. QCNs demonstrated remarkable prowess at HaloCon B6.0, a prestigious inter-school tech fest celebrating innovation and technology. Al-Tasmia Khan secured first position in monochrome.
Taran Kakani of grade 9 emerged victorious in the inter-school bilingual debate competition, competing against 57 different schools.
Queen's College Indore won the Excellent Showmaster Award at the Free Press Inter-School Drama Competition themed Our Nation, Our Pride. Competing against 17 schools, 30 QCNs presented a powerful portrayal of Captain Bana Singh's valor and sacrifice.
Queen's College Indore once again proved its mettle at the prestigious Inter-School Sturgeon competition, with 32 schools competing in various categories. QCNs excelled across the board.
We achieved a remarkable milestone at the Sahodaya Bal Vigyan Project Competition 2024, winning accolades in all 7 subjects. We achieved top honors in physics, chemistry, commerce and computer science, while biology earned best research and project, mathematics and social science won best idea. In Junior Bal Vigyan, the students were awarded with best question. This success highlights the college's dedication towards innovation, research and sustainability.
The Queen's Tech Marathon 2.0 was organized on 26 July and was an open competition that attracted 130 students from grades 9 to 12. After the initial assessment on day 1, the Queen's Quiz Questers, top performers were divided into 5 dynamic teams. With 4 rounds, the event culminated in a display of exceptional talent.
Queen's College Got Talent, QCGT, was hosted for classes 6 to 10, offering students a platform to showcase their diverse skills in music, dance, drama, art, culinary arts, and sports.
The Generation Next QCNs showcase impressive academic presentations, transforming theory into live demonstrations through quizzes, role plays, and science models. A standout was the MUN presentation on ecology and deforestation. Artistic expressions shown in synchronized dances, earning parents praise for creativity and ingenuity.
We're delighted to announce that a young talented student, Chandrika Priya Dalai of class 6, has published her first poetry collection, The First Time Favorites, now available on Amazon.
We are thrilled to announce that the students of Queen's College bagged scholarship in different international exchange programs in the year 2024. Aditi Vedulkar and Advita Lal of grade 11 bagged yearly scholarship, and Shreya Patwari of grade 12 bagged scholarship for STEM program for Italy, Turkey and Brazil respectively.
Today, we have the great pleasure of welcoming Shreya Patwari of class 12, who has recently completed her AFS STEM program from Brazil. Shreya, congratulations on your incredible achievement. We are eager to hear about your experiences. Please share your journey with us.
AFS STEM is a global intercultural exchange program which provides a great exposure to students, enriching their sustainable knowledge and STEM skills, including critical thinking, analytical skills, intercultural understanding, and social innovation. One of my best experiences was living with 28 international students and learn more about STEM. In this program, scholars participate in community services and have the opportunity to visit local, innovative, sustainability-focused operations. In my program, I went to IFRN, UFRN, Military Camp, Brain Institute and AI workshops, particularly around sustainability. And I recommend this program to everyone as it's a fantastic opportunity to break down your barriers and contribute to a brighter future for our society.
Students showcased remarkable enthusiasm at IIMN 2024 held at Sage University Indore, where 6 students received the Best Delegate along with 2 High Commendation and a Special Mention Award.
Our meticulous QCNs made a notable impact in the MU20 Opportunity Summit, Asia's foremost high school conference with over 3,000 participants, by garnering several special mentions and Best Presentation Award in the Impact Challenge. Congratulations.
Our student delivered an outstanding performance at the United Consciousness Conclave 2025 at Ujjain, showcasing their skills in folk dance and classical dance. Their performance earned enthusiastic applause and praise from the audience for their technique and passion, reflecting their love and dedication for the dance.
Our student excelled at the EXhibit Synthesizing AFS National Level Competition 2024, demonstrating remarkable skills in coding and creativity. The team secured top positions in various events. Prisha Singh and Tavisha Bhayadia won first place in CodeScope, while Akshara Dutt and Vaishnavi Singh triumphed in EXhibot. Other notable victories include Shipra Yadav, Yubhashna Kumari in Create APK, and runner-up placements in Excel Pixel and Clip.
Queen's College hosted QC MUN, providing an impactful session to sharpen students' diplomatic skills and global awareness. Students got awards in all disciplines.
Over 100 students from Queen's College Indore attended the Design Educational Festival at Delhi College. Eminent speakers highlighted career opportunities in design, while students engaged in live sketching and explored graphic, fashion, interior and product design.
Here at Queen's College, a range of transformative opportunities were provided to the students from classes 9th to 12th, including internships and skill building programs like IIT Madras School Connect, Yuva Internships, AI for Entrepreneurship, and CBSE-led AI sessions. These programs offered certifications, real-life experiences, and exposure to foster the academic and professional growth of our young, enchanting minds.
Queen's alumna Ms. Archita Bangi, a distinguished corporate trainer, guided QCNs on finding life's purpose through Ikigai and unlocking potential with the Johari window, highlighting how an extra effort can make the ordinary extraordinary.
an insightful reproductive health seminar for the students of grade 6 to 9 led by Dr. Neha Khator was organized at Queen's College. The session effectively raised awareness related to body change, puberty, hygiene and significance of personal boundaries and consents.
Our school organized an insightful session on cybersecurity led by Mr. Rajesh Dandotia, the Additional Deputy Commissioner of Police. This session aimed at spreading awareness about digital threats and promoting safe online practices among students.
A dynamic 4-day career counseling program in collaboration with iDream Career Counseling was introduced, designed to equip students with tools and insights needed to make informed career choices with confidence and clarity. This session also engaged parents, ensuring collective understanding and support in guiding children towards many career options that aligns them with their passion, skills and interests.
Queen's College hosted Abhinandan on June 29th, 2024 to celebrate the achievement of top class 10th and 12th students. The event featured with captivating dance performances, English choir highlighting the school's dedication to nurture one's ability.
Queen's College Indore is proud to announce the Star Child of the Month initiative recognizing their exemplary values. Under this program, one student per section is honored monthly based on a comprehensive assessment.
The Investiture Ceremony 2024, held on July 10th, was a momentous occasion for the newly appointed Prefectorial Board members for the session 2024-25. This ceremony was graced by our chief guest, Mr. Naveen Khandelwal, whose words were inspirational for the students as well as the faculty. The highlight of the event was the oath-taking ceremony, where the student council members solemnly pledged to fulfill their duties with sincerity and dedication.
Utkarsh 2024 was a delightful celebration beautifully presented by our students. The event began on a spiritual note, filling the atmosphere with positive energy and devotion. QCians captivated the audience through vibrant dance, traditional arts and spirits of togetherness, celebrating the rich culture and traditions of India that makes it truly unique.
Celebrate sportsmanship and passion, annual sports meet Lakshya was held, where competitions like sprints, hurdles and inter-house competitions like basketball and volleyball matches showcased athleticism and teamwork.
The graduation ceremony at Queen's College celebrated students' achievement and future. The highlights included speech by our esteemed chief guest Sir Gaurav Bena and keynote speaker Dr. Shweta Tomar, a BSF band procession, lightning of lamps, citations, blessings and a heartfelt farewell.
Snehanjali 2024. The farewell for Class 12 was a heartfelt celebration organized by Class 11 students. The event featured music, dance and touching speeches alongside a nostalgic documentary. The night concluded with a crowning ceremony and an electrifying DJ session, creating unforgettable memories.
We are here to celebrate multiple occasions such as Yoga Day, Earth Day, Labour's Day, Dance Day, Music Day and Navratri. As a tribute to our nation, we also celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day.
Congratulations to Ms. Preeti Vyas ma'am for earning the Certificate of Excellence in CS Education for completing the CS GEMS program.
Our school's green initiative included a successful plantation drive, nature conservation and days of workshops on biodiversity and creation of green corridors to restore native vegetation. Additionally, we launched kitchen gardens, teaching students how to grow their own vegetables. These efforts foster a culture of sustainability and environmental responsibility.
initiative, QCNs demonstrated their commitment to the community welfare. Our Seva Club organized a visit to the government middle school in Tejaji Nagar. An impactful Nukkad Natak performance highlighting essential sanitation practices was presented by the students of class 9th. The students also launched an important water conservation awareness campaign with the residents of 150 households, emphasizing the importance of water conservation.
Our QCNs embarked on an enriching trip to Kerala, exploring its vibrant culture and historical sites like the Jewish synagogue. Immersed in breathtaking landscapes, they developed skills in social awareness, adaptability, and teamwork, highlighting the transformative power of experiential learning, fostering, and lasting friendship along the way.
An educational trip to historic Mandu for the students of class 6 to 10 enriched curious minds with an extensive tour exploring its architectural gems and scenic marvels. The notable stops included Rani Rukmati Mahal, Hoshang Shah Tomb, Jami Masjid and Nilkant Mahadev Temple, where students learn about their architectural innovations and historical significance.
Our school visited the Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology, RRCAT in Indore, exploring advanced research in lasers and particle accelerators. We witnessed innovative experiments and learned about laser cutting, cryogenesis, and 3D printing. This enriching trip broadened our knowledge and ignited our curiosity, showcasing research as a guiding beacon of discovery.
Queen's College hosted its inter-house Shark Tank competition, serving as a dynamic platform for showcasing innovative student entrepreneur skills. The participants presented a remarkable array of creative solutions which included Charu Herbal Skincare, Pushpriti Cosmetics derived from flowers, and Ardent Terracotta AC and Natural Air Cooler.
The inter-class Shakespeare drama was hosted at Queen's campus, celebrating literacy and brilliance, which included 3 Shakespearean masterpieces, King Lear, Othello and Twelfth Night. Finally, 11C and E's impressive interpretation of King Lear, rich in emotion and depth of themes of power and betrayal, which led them to victory.
The school organizes various training sessions throughout the year to enhance diverse skills among our teachers. Our principal, Ms. Geeta Somushekaran, conveyed a workshop highlighting the significance of National Credit Framework, mandated by CBSE, reflecting the principle of new education policy. Sessions on competency-based learning were conducted by our coordinators. Other sessions, such as workshop on ICT training, outcome-based learning, and women economic empowerment, were also conducted. The school organizes various training sessions.
Queen's College emerges victorious at K-12 Awards hosted by LROC India Education Summit. Our school has been lauded with the distinguished 2024 Mimasa School Awards for its unparalleled holistic development programs bestowed by Athis Solutions. This recognition underscores a relentless pursuit of fostering well-rounded, dynamic students through an integrative and enriching educational framework.
Our principal, Ms. Geeta Somshekaran, was honored with the Women's Achiever Award from Dainik Bhaskar for her remarkable contribution to education. She attended the Madhya Pradesh Principals Conclave 2024, where she was listed as the Super 30 Principal, denoting her contribution to education.
The school honored 6 exceptional educators for guiding students to achieve perfect scores and setting high standards of excellence.
Our educators have been recognized for their excellent contribution in the field of education.
Let the echoes of our journey inspire us forward. May each day at Queen's be filled with excitement, growth, and endless possibilities. Until next time, keep pushing boundaries, stay passionate, and above all, live with gratitude.